We woke up early in the morning, drove to Lake Charles to take the boat out on the water. Y'all take a look.
The Renegade did good on the trip, good fuel mileage, ran smooth all the way here. So we're here at the marina right now, meeting the folks, and we're gonna take a look at the boat. So we'll give y'all the first view here as soon as we're done with the video. Make sure to watch your step, babe. Don't focus so much on recording that you slip.
Yeah.
It's pretty wide.
Yeah, this is you weren't lying. This is nice marina.
Yeah, this is nice. Looks like Houston quality.
Yeah.
This your first big boat?
Yes, this will be our first big boat.
Great place to start.
Yeah.
We had actually looked at some 36 and 38 footers, but my insurance, with our amount of experience, my insurance won't cover us anything over a 35.
Oh.
And so we wanted to make sure that.
I have this one insured through Progressive.
I had some projects
It's
going
like
on.
$1,200 a year.
Motor boats are just a little bit of work, but you know, as we found out, newer boats are a lot of work.
Right.
Yeah.
You getting some good shots, Vid?
Yeah.
You want to see inside first?
Yeah, let's go.
Say hi, Patrick.
Hello, we're here looking at the boat. We're excited. Let me help you up, babe.
Okay.
Hold my hand.
This is a great type of boat to start on. It's easy to handle and it's very economical.
Yeah, and that's we did a lot of research before, and we kind of landed on. We've been looking at a lot of marine traders and CHB and Grand Banks and stuff.
the snow, but
But
I'm
just-
assuming that it works. I know the people that had it, not Jody, but this boat's been in this area for
Ever.
forever. There's an old log there with the history of it in the book right there.
Oh,
But
cool. Let's, yeah, it's
Jody
good
never
to any
used
kinda-
it, but Denise and Carson, she used to cook, and they, in the wintertime, they made a, this can make a bed if you get more cushions. I don't have any of that, but you know, with the ledge, you can build
Right.
a little thing and make, she said they drive from in here in the wintertime, going to Kima, cooking gumbo, eating, watching TV, you know, so they had a ball in it.
That's
Cool.
awesome.
But, so I'm assuming that it works, we just never used it, cause
Well, and we'll
I
have it.
like to
We'll,
cook.
we'll have
Neither do
the
I.
surveyor should check all of that also. You know, should
Now the hot water heater works very well.
Yeah,
that's a good thing.
If you're not careful with it, it'll scald.
Okay.
yeah. We just built this too. They had another little old
Well,
bitty
I added a
thing.
couple of gauges to it that the hour meter in the tachometer wasn't working anymore.
Okay.
So I put a new hour meter, mostly so I could see when it came on.
If you had to guess, I know you said it wasn't working, but at least.
Yeah, it's a 740. Here, I'll let you get in, and I'm going to turn them on for you if my wife was diligent enough to turn the switch on downstairs. Hey, Dickie, instruments, please. The radar and these things are new.
Oh, okay. Good deal. Good
They're
deal.
about a year old. And the radar works, I'm going to tell you how good it works. We go out and do a lot of things, come back at night, and there's some little, you see the little buoys right there? And this is your light control. There's a light down there.
Yeah, floodlight.
Floodlight.
And I'd put some little LED lights all around the cabin. I don't think they're working too good anymore. But you can
No, the LED lights. This is a
green
brand new image.
was on there.
If you have that built in Kima for this boat, you're looking at about 12, 15.
Gonna walk around the boat.
So this is it, everyone. It's a 1978 34-foot Marine Trader. We just took the whole walkthrough tour, and we really like it. We really like it. So we're gonna go grab lunch, and then we're gonna talk to these people and possibly make an offer on it. So we're really digging it. It's got some modifications. It's got some upgrades here and there, and it does still have some stuff that needs to be done. You know, it does still need some work, but I think that's going to be with any boat you find, especially this old Smile, babe. Are you excited? So,
Show my excitement.
so we're gonna go grab lunch, and then we'll see how it goes. Here we go. Archie, Nikki, say hi.
Alright, y'all, that was it. We loved it so much that we bought it. And so keep your eyes peeled for episode 3 where we move on to the boat.
We want to thank all of our patrons, especially Ashley and Philip. And we also want to thank the previous owners of the boat, Archie and Nikki. And we'll see y'all next time.
Bye!